Today we're going to be installing the Solo Performance J-pipe Axel-Back system for the 2011 and 2017 Caprice Ppv. I got the car jacked up right now. All you're going to need is a 15mm socket, some wrench, and some PB blaster. Okay, I'm up under the car right now, and this is what the stock exhaust system looks like. There's the two 15mm bolts we're going to have to take off on each side, and then you're gonna have to remove these two hangers. Well, not the hanger, the muffler from the hanger. Then the Axel-Back should drop right down. Now this is a Florida car, very minimal rust, but you cannot have no rust. So these bolts should be on here tight, but hopefully I can get them off without having to snap anything. So let's see if we can do it one-handed. It broke loose for me. Success. Okay, over here on this driver's side, this top bolt is the only bolt that's giving me trouble. Okay, haven't had to use any PB blaster or anything yet. Let's see how this goes. Preferably I don't break this off because I don't feel like trying to extract it. Okay, so these are how the J pipes look fresh out the box. Straight from Solo Performance. Welds on them are decent. I wouldn't say the prettiest, but they're gonna hold. J-pipe to dual 3-inch staggered tips. Beautifully cared for, covered in bubble wrap and plastic. I like it. Right here we got both of the mufflers out, so now it's just time to put them on. Alright, so right now I got the stock mufflers off and I just can't help myself. I need to see how it sounds. Just open.
All open. True duals on top of that. Long tube, the true duals. This is caught in my little paddle plate.
Okay, now that that's out my system, it's time to mount up the J-pipes. But first, see, this is where the old gasket was. You see all this crap right here and all this shit from the old gasket. We gotta scrape that off with a razor before we can put on a new gasket, or else we're gonna get an exhaust leak. So get the scraping, make sure it's squeaky clean. Okay, this is what it looks like up under the car, all bolted up. Got both sides in. She looking good. I had to adjust the tips to my liking. And yeah, let's see how she looks. Oh my God.
Suitcases.
It looks beautiful.
Put you put J-pipes on.
Dual 3-inch staggered. It look good.
Yeah, this dual J-pipe. Oh yeah. All right, so the install is finally done. Let's thank Solo Performance for these beautiful exhaust systems. This sounds great. I'm gonna get you a sound clip for you guys now.